very tempting for YouTube to try that, but no. Where the furthest point I've ever walked from this location, and then it's another 2 hours onto Iron Acton and near Yate, so I don't actually know if I'm going to go that far, but I'm really enjoying just stopping and taking loads of videos and photos. Here last week and flies were here too.
Awful.
Nice.
It's a bit of a worry at the minute with how dry it all is.
Yeah.
He's under the shade.
The other one is under the tree. Let's see if you say hello. See how close I can get. Just want to see this cave bridge thing. So yeah, I will pay for this tomorrow, but it's really beneficial just to get out of the house. Good to have the one focus sometimes and not have to think about all that. Yeah, all the pretty bits have stopped, but I'm determined to try and get to the location, which is now about an hour away, and then I can run back rather than taking loads of photos, and hopefully that'll take me maybe 2 hours rather than 3 and a bit. secret garden now. Okay, so I found the walkway again, which is on the other side of the road, so it's not completely nature, but at least we're on the right side of it. And also, Epic Kate has, on her YouTubing with Katie channel, talked about my art, and it's all about being yourself on YouTube and how to be your authentic self when a camera, and it's all about mindset and all that sort of thing. When you're creative, you need community around you. So I'll put those links at the end. So we're very nearly in Iron Acton, and I'm trying not to think about walking back because it's doable, but it's not going to be as scenic or as fun going back. I'm just going to want to get back to the car and get some food on the way back, chill for a bit, and I've got a Zoom call at 10 o'clock looking at heart-centered ultra-runners that I'm doing a course. I've got another 2 weeks of the beta left to go, but that is with Dan McPherson, and I'll put that in the description. We have made it to Iron Acton Village Green. Have a little look around, might do a little montage of that, and then grab some food from the pub, which is open to 11, not 5:30 like the garden centre is, and then rest my legs and head back. Right, okay, so I'm not going to explore because I've walked ages, so I might drive back here another day to actually have a proper little look around, which I'll vlog. I'm going to get some food in the pub over there, maybe do a bit of sketching, which I'll either go in this vlog or another one, and then I've got to walk back. I did bring a spare t-shirt, I'm very sweaty. Yeah, that was not sexy at all, was it? Alright, okay, so get rid of this. So really it's just been great to get out of the house because I just get stuck with all the, like, I struggle with the dishes, but it's good to get out and not have to think about that. And Iron Acton is actually quite a small village, and it looks like a really lovely place next to Yate and good sort of cut-throughs to other places. And I could just keep going, but I think what would be great is to do like a walking holiday where you book places along the way. You do like, I don't know, 20 miles a day, 15 miles a day, 10 miles a day, whatever is possible. And yeah, that could be quite a fun one next time. Maybe the Cornish coast might be a good one. Have little B&Bs along the coast, but that'll take more planning. This was just a Iron Acton. That sounds like an interesting name, but I need to do more research to find out what's here. I'm going to go get some food and then time to head back. So I'll see you in a moment. Okay, so the next bus is in 50 minutes. So it's 2.5 hours to get back. I need to get to the light areas quickly, so let's... Okay, so it's now 6:30 and the sun goes down at 8:15, so maybe I get a bus. An easier route going this way than it was coming to this bit. So hopefully I'm going the right way. You don't need to see this because we've already seen it coming here, so I shall see you probably back in the car. There's still a lot of things to see. I need to get back. Just got to retrace my steps, and I've got to get a move on because the sun will be going down in just under 2 hours. I'm hoping I'm in the well lit park, so my legs are still good, aching a little bit, but they're still pretty strong, so I can then complete collapse tomorrow, having hyper focused on getting here. I'm in the countryside. It's been great, and yeah, I'm getting fed up of the city. I would like to move more towards this bit at some point, and then drive into Bristol, or maybe just a long walk like this, whenever I need that. The immediacies, is that word, of the city. So yeah, one day I might be more towards the countryside when I can afford it, but for now my flat is like gold dust because with everything going up in price I can afford it and I can live in Bristol. But yeah, I would love to be more out to the countryside and have a more room to create and more like a garden or something at some point. Alright, so follow the kingfisher. Okay, that wasn't the right way, but as long as I can get past this bit I'll be fine. One man walks alone with the impending sunset coming down. I think I'm going in the right direction from memory. Just on the other side of it, and then ended up near Bromley Heath, where I should have gone the other way. In the middle of nowhere. And will this vlog be like an hour long? Who knows? Maybe this was a stupid idea.